monitor, but make a TV like a monitor. And you can also watch cable TV or antenna TV or whatever kind of TV you have hooked up with the coaxial cable in this next video. Thank you. Here are the connections for your TV. Here you got the TV here and the HDMI, which we're going to use for the computer. So what you got to do is look at the HDMI, and if it says ARC, plug the computer into that, and then in the settings, we'll show you on the computer how to set that up. All right, here we're going to do a connection to the cable. Just plug it in like that. And if you have cable, there's how you hook. It's all hooked up there. Thank you. Here's the TV. Just use your remote and click the power. Then go over to number 3, which we already labeled it. Click on computer. On computer and turn on your computer. Okay, go to the menu, click down or click up to settings, and then go down to TV inputs, go down to live TV, and you can scan your channels or manage what you have already. Manage all the channels, and you can rename it and whatever you want to do. Go to sound, click on the sound icon, and then click the HD audio driver for display audio. And if you want to use the other one, just click that one for your sound. We'll hook it up with the ARC or ARC port on your HDMI TV. And that's it for today. That's how you hook it up. Thank you and have a great day.